8,000 pounds of fun right here. Turn left, Eric. There's a pond there. We don't want you getting your hubcaps wet. It's not good if you get your hubcaps wet. Well, looks like we have